Mundad, making the mundane fun. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to protect window lintels. And the lintel is like a metal kind of reinforcement structural piece above the window here, and it's kind of to protect and to stop these bricks from kind of slipping really. And if you've had a window that's wooden and you've replaced it with UPVC, or sometimes if you've just had a replacement UPVC window put in, they don't tend to protect the lintels, and what can happen is this will rust and then you'll end up having to replace the lintel at some point in the future. So I'm going to show you how to protect the lintel, and that it can be done really easily, cheaply and very quickly. What I'm going to do is I've actually got a piece of a UPV strip here. I'm going to put this strip up along the lintel here and protect the lintel, and it's just going to be applied using silicone, so it's really easy to do, and it just makes it look a lot neater as well. And if you look at older windows, you can see that this is a very old wooden window, probably 50 years old, that they did protect the lintels in the past, and they used cement, which is a bit messy to use really for a UPVC window, but I'll show you how to do this. It's really easy. Okay, so I've applied that now just across here very thickly, probably way too much, but you can never have too much silicone on there. And that, just using that the gun and just some silicone, so it's very cheap really. And I'm just going to stick this up on here now, up on the lintel, and then I'll show you how to kind of tidy it up. Okay, so it's in situ now, but it just needs tidying up, and all you need to do to fix it is just apply the silicone to the UPVC, and it just sticks anything to UPVC. It's absolutely fine. And now I'm just going to tidy it up, put some more silicone at the edges here, just so that it's weatherproof. Okay, now you can see it's finished. It just needs a bit more tidying up with the silicone, but as you can see now, it does look like the window looks so much better now with that added. It just looks like it's finished rather than it being kind of unfinished with a brick exposed. And now hopefully that will also protect the lintel slightly, give you a bit more time before it does need to be replaced. And yeah, it's quite easily done, very cheap. It cost me about £10 I think in total, £5 for the strip of PVC and then for the other bits and pieces, and it's taken me about what, 10-15 minutes maximum. Just to tidy up the silicone, what you can use is just use some water and make sure your finger's wet, and then just run it across the top where you've beaded the silicone, or you can sometimes use a wet rag as well. Just needs a bit more tidying up. But yeah, job's done. Thanks very much for watching, Mum Dad. See you again soon.